Okay. Yes, yes. Sai, you can go ahead, Sai. You can open it up.
Yes.
So,
Sir, I'll just give a brief introduction and then we can start, sir.
Sure.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Today we have Lieutenant General Subrata Sahaji, who has been the Deputy Chief of Army Staff and a former member of the National Security Advisory Board. He was responsible for perspective planning, force modernization, capability development, and the creation of the Army Design Bureau in 2016. Post-retirement, he was the founding Director General of the Society of Indian Defence Manufacturers, known as SIDM. His in-depth strategic insight is based on his experience of 4+ decades of serving India, which also includes 6 months on the Siachen Glacier in the early days of the Glacier War in 1986. He is the only Indian Army officer who is a graduate of both Staff College Camberley of UK and Army War College of United States of America. Also, General Sahaji is the recipient of Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yudh Seva Medal, Yudh Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Bar twice, Commander, Chief of Army Staff Commendation twice, and GOC-in-C Western Command Commendation card. General Sahaji has also done his PhD on irregular warfare, MPhil double masters from Madras University and Pennsylvania University, and diploma in management. And he is a distinguished fellow of the Center for Joint Warfare Studies. His articles, papers, and opinion pieces are widely published in Indian and foreign journals. With this, I request General Sahaji to give us his insight into and something motivating to our Janyutech team.
Thank you, Sai. May I just make a small request? If I could see whom I am talking to.
Okay, maybe we can all switch on the videos.
You're welcome to keep your speaker on mute.
Yes.
Even that also no problem. Come in whenever you need to.
Right.
Thank you. So some faces have come, which is inspiring enough to make a beginning. Okay, so thank you very much, Ivanuji. Thank you very much, Sai, for asking me to come and speak to you. For the benefit of those with whom I have not interacted earlier, my sort of engagement or my sort of association with Janyutech came a little earlier than the name Janyutech was taken.
it's a very fine introduction, right?
Okay, so in 2016, in the month of May, I, as Deputy Chief, as what he was saying, Sai was saying, I came to as Deputy Chief after commanding 15 Corps in Kashmir. And Kashmir, as you know,